In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually create checkout links on Shopify. This is really useful if you want to send customers directly to a checkout for a specific product without them having to browse your store or add it to the cart themselves. You can use these links in emails, social media, live chat, or anywhere you communicate with customers. First, log into your Shopify account and go to your Shopify dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your store. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see a section labeled Products. Go ahead and click on Products. This is where all of your existing items are listed. On the Products page, find the product you'd like to create a checkout link for. You can scroll through the list, or if you have a lot of products, use the search bar at the top to quickly locate it by name. Once you see the right product in the list, click on it to open the Product Details page. Before you do anything else, you need to make sure you have the Buy Button channel app installed. This is a free app built by Shopify that enables you to create direct checkout links. If you don't have it yet, you can install it from the Shopify App Store by searching for Buy Button channel and adding it to your store. Once that's installed and active, return to your Product Details page. On the product page, look for the button or drop-down labeled More Actions. This is usually located near the top right of the screen. Click on More Actions and a small menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says Create Checkout Link. Shopify will now generate a unique checkout link for this specific product using the Buy Button channel app in the background. After a moment, you'll be taken to a page that shows you the generated link. On this page, look for the button that says Copy Link. Click on Copy Link and the full checkout URL will be copied to your clipboard. This link takes customers straight to a checkout with that product preloaded, so they can complete their purchase with minimal friction. Now you can paste that link into an email campaign, a direct message, a social media post, or even a QR code. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created a